Active weather pattern to continue to play out this weekend into early next week. Hello everyone, I'm Chief Meteorologist Mike Hurd with an on-demand storm tracker forecast for your Friday afternoon. To understand what's going on locally, we have to look at the big picture view. And what we see here is a deep trough of low pressure forming out here near the Gulf of Alaska, just north of Hawaii. So this jet stream is pulling in a tremendous amount of moisture. We call these atmospheric rivers, funneling it right through the Pacific Northwest, then clipping northwest Montana, then diving down the backside of this high pressure ridge. So as you look at the precipitation outlook, we'll just let this play out through the weekend into early next week. There's going to be a few periods of rain and snow, but it's mainly focused across west central northwest Montana, the Idaho Panhandle, and the coastal mountain ranges in Washington and Oregon, like around Seattle, for example. They're going to get hit with 1 to 3 inches of rain and maybe even some higher mountain snow, so there'll be some more challenging travel weather there. But look out low Lost Trail passes, we'll be seeing some slushy snow accumulations, and then lower elevations could see some rain and even pockets of freezing rain. But you can see by this general regional forecast, here's where the heaviest precipitation will be. This is a secondary area of moderate to heavy precipitation, but most of it is going up and over the top of southwest Montana, with the slight exception of the Absaroka Beartooth Range down inside Yellowstone National Park. There could be some moderate to heavy snow developing there, especially Saturday night and into Sunday morning. But most of this is lifting up and over the top of southwestern Montana. Not all, but most. And the other side effect of this type of a pattern will be stronger surface winds east of the Continental Divide. Livingston to Big Timber under a wind advisory tonight through Saturday evening, possibly extending into Sunday, because I expect to see wind gusts in those classic high wind areas around 50 to 70 miles per hour. High wind watch as of Friday afternoon from Lewistown to Glendive, but again, that's likely to be upgraded to a warning because our forecast model shows some very intense surface winds trying to develop late Saturday morning, especially across central and eastern Montana. It's drier there, but it is very windy as you go through your Saturday, and southwest Montana could see wind gusts 20 to 40 miles per hour. Wind picks back up again Sunday, especially along the Rocky Mountain front, that bright white area. That could be excessive winds over 70 miles per hour, but Livingston winds picking back up 40 to 60 miles per hour as you go through your Sunday evening and into Monday morning. So a lot of crazy little weather pattern features to look at here with the big picture and on a microclimate scale as well. So breaking it down further locally, there will be a little disturbance moving through in the early morning hours on Saturday. There could be some mountain snow and some gusty winds with this, but for the most part, Saturday should be dry. Saturday afternoon looks good, and then another shot of moisture moves in Sunday in the early morning hours, and then it's mainly mountain-driven snow as you go into Sunday evening. So our snowfall forecast model shows a couple of things, that there could be some periods of mountain snow along the Montana-Idaho state line, but for Sunday night into Monday, again, the flow is out of the north and west, and that's going to drive some snow bands down the Rocky Mountain front, aiming right for the Cook City area. And Big Sky could see some snow, the Crazy Mountains could see some snow, and then north of White Sulphur Springs, you get into the Little and Big Belt Mountains, they could see some snow there as well. But as you look at the general forecast, it looks promising for this weekend. However, there could be some scattered rain and snow showers periodically, especially in the overnight hours Saturday and Sunday for Butte, and then another front Tuesday could bring some rain and snow, and much cooler temperatures are planned by the middle half of next week. A lot of wind in the forecast for Bozeman, slight chance for some passing showers, very warm on Monday, and then cooling behind a front with a little bit of rain and snow by Tuesday of next week. And for Dillon, a lot of wind, above average temperatures in the 50s and 60s, but a general cooling trend next week. And for West Yellowstone, slightly better chance for off and on snow showers, mainly in the overnight hours Saturday night, Sunday morning, Sunday night, Monday morning, and then perhaps again into the overnight hours Tuesday with a frontal passage moving through then.